If you do much work in your garage or workshop, you know spilling of screws and nails is going to happen. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll share a simple way to clean them up right after this.
Summer means cool drinks from your fridge, beach towels from your dryer, and ice cream sandwiches in the freezer. The Home Depot can help you make those memories with special buys on the latest appliances. Get a Samsung top or front load laundry pair, just $628 each. Plus, up to an additional $600 in instant savings. And you can get your new appliances delivered free. So start summer here. The Home Depot. How doers get more done. Free delivery on purchases of $396 or more. Gas Dryer Extra, Continental U.S. only.
Spills are a fact of life anywhere work is being done, and home workshops are no exception because of the variety of materials they contain. If you spill some paint or stain, you simply just wipe it up. But if you've ever turned over a box of screws or nails, you know what a hassle it is to pick them up, one by one by one. So try this instead. Place a magnet inside a plastic bag and slowly move it over the spilled fasteners. Once they're all attached to the magnet, turn the bag inside out and remove the magnet. Now you can pour the fasteners back into the box they came from. And this trick also works great for cleaning up metal shavings left behind from cutting or drilling. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.